Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We have here a newly built 3 bedrooms, 2 bathroom home in the quiet community of Eden, Oracabessa. The property is surrounded by lush green hills, sits on 1 acre, is close to a spring and has several water tanks. It is 15 minutes away from Oracabessa police station and the James Bond beach. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. No. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 41 million or US $266.3 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.